Hey, this is Jordan with Copper Mountain Electric, owner and founder. Just wanted to take a couple minutes to run through the latest van that we're putting on the road. All this racking was done by Sterling Fleet Upfitters. Again, they've done all of our vans from our 2010, which we'll show you later, that we're pulling off the road, our first Sprinter van up to our two 2024s. On this one, we opted to take the shelving from the 2010 as it's still in great working condition. At the time when I bought the 2010, 13, 14 years ago, they were the only ones that did this full height aircraft aluminum shelving, which was 30%, I think 30% lighter, way more durable, and we're a testament to that, as this shelving is in perfect working condition after 13 years of hard usage. They put in some additional LED lighting, which is great. Obviously on dark days, helps the guys find what they want. And as you can see, most of you guys know by now, but full height, a guy like me who's 6'3" can stand up here, has access to everything that he needs, which is an amazing thing. A far cry from when I first got in the trades in the early 2000s, when you'd walk in and you'd have to be on your knees pulling materials up because you didn't really have the height or the space. So this is a far cry from when I started in the trades. So yeah, this is the latest one. Again, if you want to get more work done, reach out to Sterling Fleet. They'll be able to help you out, come up with a design. And I do gotta say, in 13 or so years that we've been running with their shelving and their installs, as far as I know, I don't think we've had to re-secure any of this shelving or re-bolt anything. I was in the trade. When I was in the trade, we'd have the steel shelving, painted steel shelving, which would rust out, corrode, collapse. This has been amazing, and there's a reason why we took 13-year-old shelving and put it into new one.